Hello, Adelina here. Welcome to Draw with a Sparkle. This is my second Draw with a Sparkle girl. We're going to draw a back to school girl today, so let's get started. So to draw this girl, like we always do, I'm going to start about right here, maybe. Give us a little point. And just do an easy curve line, like that. And then go across to about maybe here. Give myself another little point. And go down again. And then I'm just going to keep kind of, oops, my Sharpie dried out a little bit. I'm just going to keep going down and connect it like that. And then maybe, oops, bring this up a little bit higher like that. And then I'm going to draw the eyes. So for the eyes, we just start and redraw a big circle like that. Connect the sound, and then same on the other side. Like that. And then we're going to go in and make our eyes kind of come to life. So I'm going to go in here with 2 small circles. 1, 2. And then a curved line at the bottom. And then I'll just shade in the top. Like that. And then you do little lines at the bottom. And then you do the same on the other side. 2 circles for highlights, curved line at the bottom, and shade on the top. Like that. And then you, of course, need those little tiny lines at the bottom. Alright, so now we have most of her face in. So now we're just going to bring a little bit higher, and then we're going to go in and do the lashes and eyebrows. So for the lashes, they're really simple. You just do 2 nice curved lines like that, and then same on the other side like that. Now we need to go in for the eyebrow. For the eyebrow, you just do a soft, nice arch, basically arch above the eye like that. Nice and simple. And then, of course, she needs a smile, right? Alright, so now we're going to go in and complete her face. So I'm going to give myself a point about right there. And I'm going to draw straight down and connect it. Just slightly curved so we have her face in. Nice and easy. Alright, so now we're going to start her hair. So her hair, we're going to do the little point, and then you do like a line, and give here some parting lines, like that, basically. And then I'm going to go a little bit high and give myself another point. And this hair is just pretty easy. I'm just going to kind of take this and just wave it down. Nice, easy, wave it. Like down about there. I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'm just going to be a little bit up more. And you're just going to wave it down like that. Nice, long, beautiful hair. Alright, so now we're going to go into the body. I just thought, why don't I just give her a simple, nice little dress. So that's what we're going to do. So we're just going to give her a neck. Like that. Little small neck. And then out for 2 for her shoulders. I like that. That was a little bit more slanted, but we'll do. And then give myself 2 points for her armpits, and then a slight angle line straight down. And because she's wearing a dress, we're just gonna connect this in. Give her her little shirt top, just so her dress is a little bit more detailed. I'm just gonna do like a little oval right there. Alright, and then now we can go down to finish the dress. So you're just going to kind of keep going with that angle line, slightly down, a little bit out more. And then about there, we're just going to cut it off. So you just want to wave it in like that and connect. And then now, of course, we're going to go in for the legs. So the legs will be super easy. We just go straight out because her legs originally started up here, but because she's wearing a dress, a long dress, they're just going to start right here. So just straight out of it. Keep it going. And you're just going to give her nice, long legs, getting thinner as we go down. Out there, we're just going to stop. And she is going to be wearing some simple, easy boots. I'm going to go up there and just cut off for the boot line. Make this a little bit round. And then like that. And then we're going to go down, go out, up, down, cross, and back up for the heel. And then, of course, we're just going to copy this on the other side. So down, around, up, down, across, and back up. So those are going to be her boots. And then now we're going to go back up. One hand's going to be holding like a little like hydro flask, and one hand going to be, we're going to like bend it in, and she's going to be holding a math book, a book, sorry. So we're going to start with this one first. I'm just going to kind of keep waving it down like that. And then her, so we're just going to go in for her fingers like that. And then we're going to do a soft thing like the eyebrow, except like way more curved. And then you're going to fill it in. You bring this down. Just going to put a little thumb right there. So you're showing that you're holding it. And then here comes the fun part. And then we're going to do a straight line. Yeah. And do your hydro flask. So you just kind of bring it down a little bit more like this, and maybe do a little almost like top for that. Cross and back up. And then we're going to go in for some little like details, because we need some stickers on her water bottle. So this one I'm going to give myself a little heart. Maybe a flower. Some petals. That. Maybe I can even give it a little star, because this is my Draw with a Sparkle back to school girl. So maybe a little bit star. I'm not the best at drawing these just yet. I'm slowly getting better. Like that. And then maybe we'll do some stripes on the top. Like that. And that. Actually, why don't I even do a little paw print, because I live in California. And that's just kind of like a symbol that a lot of people have up here in California. Bears are really popular. Kind of clashes in with the water, with the flower a little bit, but it will do. Alright, so that's my water bottle. Make sure to design, and then why not, actually we also give her a little bracelet right here. So feel free to add whatever kind of stickers or things you want. That was just my little thing. And now for the harder one. This one was a little bit harder, and it took me like ages to find out how to do it. So you're just going to kind of keep going down like that. And then you're going to bring this on a little bit more. Start bending it. And then bring this one down a little bit more. And you kind of, yeah, we can just kind of show her arm bending, actually. This will be easier. Show that little bend right there. Keep taking it out. And then there we're going to stop and put a big line right there, which is going to be her book. So then you just kind of keep making it like a big rectangle. I'll do a little circle right here. And I'll write the subject. Can't really read it that well. But it's supposed to say math at least. And then we'll give it some dimension. So just kind of make it a little bit around it. The camera isn't really good, but one from where I'm sitting says math. And then, oh, we have to finish our hair, of course. So you just kind of continue waving it, and then you tuck it in about where the bracelet is on her. Tuck that in. Maybe you can give a little chip right there. Then you can just add some little curls. So yeah, that is it for my Draw with a Sparkle Back to School Girl. I hope you like it, and make sure to check out for more videos. Bye. I totally forgot, we need her fingers, right? So for this one, we're just gonna kind of show little thumb, like that, and then a few fingers. About 4 fingers, kind of like that. Just so that they're kind of grasping around. We'll do another one. So that they're kind of grasping around the book.